What we have here today is a snowblower auger that does not turn. It just freely spins around here on this shaft, and when you try to engage it, it does not engage. It is because there is a shear pin that fits in this hole here that had broke off, and this one happens to be adjusted a little too low, and it's hitting the ground as it goes around, and that's what sheared it off. It's a safety device to keep the brass gear that's located in here in good shape, that in case this gets bound up, that it breaks off that pin and does not destroy that gear in there. And we'll replace that today. On occasion, there is a piece of the shear bolt still stuck into the shaft, and you would need to take a punch here and a hammer and knock that out. Usually you can line it up where this hole is a little larger on one side to knock it through. Or if you don't have that, you can try to put a large nail on there. If you do that, please wear eye protection. What I have here is a kit that comes with two shear bolts, and the reason why you want to use an actual shear bolt instead of just jamming a regular size bolt in there is because this is made of a very soft metal that's designed to break off in case it does run into something hard. And with a normal steel bolt, that would be too hard and would not shear off. This consists of a bolt, a spacer, and a nut. And the little spacer here is a little bit larger to fit in that side of the shaft there, and then we'll go ahead and put the nut on the other side, tighten it up.